Up and down like a pogo. Hands up like a pogo.
And your heart's no different. Who you want, don't want you, and who you miss you. You know, your tears are falling, you can't tell.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Day before yesterday was, day before yesterday was Daddy Zion's birthday, and I cooked for 40 people. And I don't have any picture, and I don't have any video, and it's so painful. But we're entering the weekend now, and I just want to get some things in the house. I'll probably take Zion to a playground too, because he's been saying he wants to play. He's not really around children his age, so why not? I'm waiting for the gas station to open, but yeah, welcome back to another vlog. Alpha, how are you? My manners.
You want peace but can't feel it. You got it, you can't do it. You need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus.
I'm buying the gas now, but they said their machine is faulty. So I'm waiting while I'm uploading a video right now. I've not been uploading like my normal schedule, like post 2 times or 3 times in a week. Just because there's been a lot going on. So, but I'm uploading one now. And I'm recording this now. So, we're good. From here, I'm going to go home to drop the gas, and then I'll go to the market. Because first of all, I need to get a bowl. Not like a bowl, like a container for my business. So I've gotten the gas now, and I'm at home. And yes, I've been eating this food all through the way because I know that my day is about to get really crazy. I might not be able to even capture everything because I want to buy container for my business. We're natural. We sell Ayurvedic handmade products, oils, air butters. What the hell? Oils, air butters, and then very soon we're going to do like shampoos, Ayurvedic deep conditioners, blah blah blah. But apart from that, I'm also planning to cook soups. So egusi, oha, edikaikong, some sauces, soups, chicken. I also want to do jerk turkey, which was what I cooked for my husband's birthday, and it was so good. But I miscalculated. We couldn't eat in the house, and like I said before, there was no video or evidence to even show that I cooked for 40 people. But it's okay. Like I was saying, evidence didn't day. It didn't day. It was actually so annoying because I planned to vlog the whole experience because I've never cooked for 40 people before, and I wasn't like scared because normally for Christmas we cook a lot like that. My family, we cook a lot. That's before I got married, but it wasn't like cooking for 40 people. Do you understand? So I was pretty scared. I cooked at sunrise. I did fried plantain, jerk turkey, and then I got drinks for them. So it was really good. So I want to do the jerk turkey again. I would record that because I swear this recipe is so good. It was so delicious. Like the turkey was tender. I think I'll do some turkey and I'll do some chicken. But basically, I'm going to the market. I just want to drop the gas now. I'm going to market. I just want to cook soup, and then I just want to buy some things for my business, and then yeah, I'll catch you guys later. Welcome to my vloggy. Yeah, welcome to my vloggy. And yeah, please don't forget to like, watch, comment, subscribe. And people are passing and they are looking at me. I think in my content creator journey, I've gotten to the point where I'm not really that shy, but we'll test it today because I'm going to the market, and you know when you're recording in the market, people are always like looking and everywhere, which is normal. Do you understand? It's normal. You wouldn't expect that people wouldn't look. Do you understand? But it's okay. I'll try my best to record and show you the market. Yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I need to take this gas. I need to finish eating. I need to get started with my day because it's getting hot and my brain is getting okay. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.
We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. Okay, now wait up. It's time to get your heart together and stop playing. You know the truth, you know the world, you know we love you like unconditional. You know you die, you know we are that spiritual. We see you drowning with the ties on your soul. You know we love you. If we love you, the corrections on the way there. In Jesus' name, them strong codes, I ain't staying with you. Oh my mama, let your brother fall down a lot of dishonor. The blood on your hands when you don't say nothing. If you love him, then you gotta say something. Say something. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus. We need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We all need Jesus. We need Jesus.
Hi guys, it's Tuesday, and normally what I do is that it's did I say it's Tuesday? It's Saturday. Yesterday I went to the market, which was Friday. I went to the market to get stuffs for soup. And so normally what I do is that I would prep first and then the next day I would cook. But we don't really have soup or anything in the house, and I don't want to cook rice again because we've been eating rice a lot. So I want to cook egusi and probably cook stew today if it's possible. Yeah, so that's what I want to do. I took one medicine that like this that made me sleep, crash out. So I just woke up. I'm still very weak and tired, but you know, let's cook something because I'm hungry.
Calling on my savior. I got you direct like a nectar. I know your ring won't let up. You get it all. It was you all by yourself. Oh, well, should I? Only you are. It was you all by yourself. Oh, well, should I? Only you are. You all by yourself. Oh, well, should I? Only you are. They thought I was lost, now I'm found. All of the ways you allowed. Through every up, every down. I'm calling on my savior. I got you direct like a nectar. I know your rain won't let up. 'Cause you get it all. It was you all by yourself. Oh, well, should I? Only you are. It was you all by yourself. Oh, well, should I? Only you are. You all by yourself. Oh, well, should I? Only you are. I just pray the sins I'm forgiven. My soul hurt every time I give in. My stance see meaning, no slipping. You been been right there from beginning. The story been written. Gotta remind myself when that doubt try to kick in. Came too far to be stagnant. Foot on demons next, letting them have it. We fall from average, cut from different fabric. The garment on my golf is snug, no dragging. I came from savage to 40-day fasting. The war is on your mind, but your mind is on your caption. Capture the minds of the fragile. Heartbreaks casual. Only if you knew who you was. Actual. What's it like wearing the crown when it ain't matching you? If you were king of the kingdom, you need it in your castle.
I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Omniscient, your presence always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. So prove it that this is my shot. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe.
My loves, it's after 9, precisely I think 9:08 or 9:09, or maybe even 9:10. I don't know, but I slept. I cooked the egusi and then I went to sleep because I couldn't, like, I was so tired. But I've packed up the egusi now. I'm going to show you. I usually share them into 2 bowls depending on, the quantity, but I don't have a large family, so normally I do 2 bowls. And then my husband has helped me to clean the meats that I'm going to use for the remaining soups and stews. He has cleaned the meats now, and I'm going to boil them this night, grill them because I don't want to fry them. Then I would see if I can make the stew this night, because if I make the stew this night, then that means that's 2 soups down, or 2 whatever. That means that I would have cooked 2 things, or 2 soups, or 2 stews, whatever. Yeah, I'm supposed to be cooking like 6 or 8 things. I'm not sure. I'm going to check because I always write down my list before I start so that I don't forget anything. But this time I was a bit tired because I told you I cooked for 40 people like couple of days back. So some things so tomorrow morning I think I'm going to go to the market again to get some things. Also, I burnt the cocoyam that I was supposed to use for the oha, so I need to get that so I can cook the oha. But yeah, that's it. I'm just going to boil the meat now, and yeah, that's how I'm spending my weekend. I'm sleeping and I'm cooking soup and stew. That's the thing. But the good thing is going to help me. But the good thing is that it's going to help me, going into the week. In fact, going into the next couple of weeks, like 2 or 3 weeks, it's going to help me with food prep. And sometimes I can just tell my husband to bring out stew, and he will boil rice, or he will make the eba or something, so, or whatever we're eating, maybe amala or something. So it's just going to be easy on me, because next few weeks I want to just focus on my business and the other things that I'm doing for myself. I don't want to worry about food. And I'm also going to be doing zobo and just like fruit juices, because my son has been asking for that. Zion has been asking for that too, so I will do that too. Yeah, that's it. Let me get started.
That's right. Who gon' stand against me? Who gon' win against W's all around me? I lay you down. Been drowning mountains in the sea. All my scriptures dominating, undefeated. That's my reigning king. This that it's that good news. Me and Jesus, we together, got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. It's a mood that I said it right. We gon' be alright. We gon' be just fine. That good news.